Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you a very popular German chicken dish named Hühnerfrikassee. This recipe originated in France, but it is a staple on German menus. The beauty of this dish is that you can make it easily from chicken leftovers, or you can use a whole chicken or chicken breasts. Even though this dish has some traditional ingredients, you could make it with all kinds of white meat and vegetables. This is where the name Fricassee comes from, as it means a ragbag of ingredients, and makes this recipe perfect for using up your leftover meats and veggies. The recipe is very simple. First, you need to cook the chicken breast in broth until it's tender. In the meantime, you can clean and cut all vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Then remove the chicken breasts and keep the broth. Cut the chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces as well. Make a roux with the butter and flour and about half of the chicken broth. Season the sauce to taste with salt, pepper, sugar and lemon juice. Now you can add the carrots and let them simmer for about 5 minutes. Then add the mushrooms and asparagus and let simmer on a low-medium temperature for another 5 minutes. Mix the egg yolks and the heavy whipping cream and blend into the sauce. Add the chicken pieces and the frozen peas to the pot. Just before you are ready to serve, sprinkle in the capers and serve with rice. Guten Appetit!